And stuff like that. You don't need this no more.
Look, he's showing you what you gotta do.
Plug this in here. And that stays there. Where's the other controller?
It's right here.
Oh, give me that. And you plug this one in here. Then you take this thing right here
That's cool.
and you plug it.
Well, that just stays there. You don't need to plug it.
What? It gotta be plugged in.
No, but I'm saying, ain't no need for him to take it out.
You plug it in like that. So when the controllers need to be charged, just sit them down.
I can do that?
Sit them on top.
And now they're charging.
Wow.
And now both controllers are charging.
And you got Call of Duty, the new Call of Duty, and you got 2K17.
This
So
is
what you say?
This is what you wanted, right?
Yes.
Call of Duty and NBA 17? Okay. But
What do you say?
Thank you.
that's down here, right?
Turn on the phone.
Let's open this one. This is the big one. We always do big.
That's to Xavier and Quadir.
Or should I make you wait for that one? You can wait for that one.
Alright, open mine.
Open that.
Open that one.
I turned the TV off on my thing. Look at his face.
That's the new Monopoly with the credit card. So now you don't got
This is a different one.
Yeah.
Now
I
you
saw
don't have
that
to
on
count
the
money.
TV. Now we don't have to count money.
Right.
Right.
Now somebody don't have to cheat with being bankers.
Who you telling, cheater?
What?
Daddy, I know you're not talking. You was cheating so many times.
Gift number 2, 3.
Yeah, 3. Daddy, I'm about to turn the TV off.
Actually, leave it on. Let me see this real quick. Look at it. Go.
You want controller. What? I want to play the Wii.
No, you went to leave.
My dad said he's gonna call me when he comes pick me up.
Oh, this is so cool. I never had this one. Oh, and I got one.
Yo.
Alright, open that one. Yeah.
What are you?
I was about to say.
See, we were opening his gifts too. He gets it from his sister. What are you doing?
What is this?
It's a puzzle in there. You gotta do the puzzle.
But I like this part.
I like the ball, right? Me too.
You like the ball?
Alright, now open your big present.
Dad, Mom likes the ball.
Shut up. Wait, Xavier.
Wait, I thought he was waiting for that one.
Why? He opened everything else.
Because it's to both of them.
It's really his because
Alright,
Quadir-
It's more his than his.
Quadir because he barely stay here. He lives here.
Watch it, watch it.
I'm sorry.
Let's take the box up.
Is that big enough?
Finally, a new TV.
I have one in my room right on my dresser.
So now you can take your game upstairs.
See, but I can't take my game upstairs. It's down here. Hey, but when we move,
I always wanted a TV.
it is better from the old other ones we
The
had.
crazy thing is,
Yeah.
he's serious.
Why am
Only
I-
if some people.
Well, I'm not that serious.